What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Gio, and I'm here to show you the Wireless Go by Rode. It's a nice wireless mic which comes with a mic for recording and the receiver that connects to your camera or your recording device. And it's a nice little gadget that Rode brought out probably 2 years ago, and it's a wireless mic system where you need to connect it with regular 3.5 cable to your camera or your gaming recorder. And as you can see, that's the pouch where you can carry it. Comes with noise gate for cat fur and 2 cables. I actually bought another cable that for recording to a cell phone, because most cell phones have 3 pins. But yeah, it comes with 2 clips. Could clip it on your body and clip it to your cameras and flash mount, or you could just pull it to the side. And it comes with 2 USB-C cables, and it's pretty neat packaging. As you can see, that's the USB port and the microphone, and it even comes with a mic input where you can actually put a label mic on your body if you just don't want the big square mic showing up on your video. But most people don't seem to mind it when I see creators wearing it for gaming or interviews in cars, driving cars, and on location with their camera. But yeah, it's a nice little mic, and there's plenty of other products that came out which is similar to it, but Rode tends to come out with the next generation, which come with 2 mics and 1 receiver, and you can record on the body, but that's the original version. And I kind of lost the video on this because my hard drive got lost and I lost a lot of footage and I couldn't really put out new videos. But you know, it is what it is. But I'm finally bringing it out 2 years late, and yeah, so I'm gonna take it on location and see how it operates, so I could film it and show you guys exactly how it's done. And yeah, so that's my video on the unboxing of the Rode mic. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. Goodbye.